Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Laborx.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Guys, Laborx is a global blockchain-based crypto jobs freelance platform that connects individuals with work opportunities. Crypto payments enable fast, efficient settlements for work completed, while smart contracts ensure that terms of work and payment are enforced transparently and fairly. This platform is definitely going to be revolutionary for the future, guys, in a sense that people are already looking for jobs online and digitally. Now, what these guys are doing are tying into the growing crypto market that is still very young. They're bringing this and incorporating it into the idea, which obviously, guys, is going to be very successful. When we scroll down here, guys, we have a new gig section. There's over 10,458 gigs currently on the platform. So what do we have, guys? We got names, we got stars, and we got descriptions as well as price. Can't forget the skills as well. For example, we got someone saying here, I will provide Olympus DAO with your features, $1,000. The skills, JavaScript, blockchain and crypto, solidity. Next person here, I will fork Olympus DAO on ETH, BSC, Polygon, and Phantom, 3,000. The skills, blockchain and crypto, solidity, dApps. The list goes on, guys. The freelance services is categorized in different areas here. We have design and creative, the web, mobile, and software development, writing, blockchain and crypto, NFTs, sales and marketing, audio and video, accounting, and consulting as well. Furthermore, we got customer service, admin support, legal, translation, engineering and architecture, IT and networking, offline, and influencers. Gaming is also the last one. Under their blog section, guys, they review the benefits of hiring a freelancer on Laborx. With so many companies struggling to fill vacant roles as the pandemic eases and the economy starts up again, there is a hot competition for suitable employees. In certain sectors, including technology and particularly blockchain, the skill shortage predated COVID-19, and the growth of these industries over the last 18 months has only made the problem worse. Instead of going through a lengthy recruitment process, guys, which may ultimately prove unsuccessful in any case, one alternative is to hire freelancers to fill an immediate skills gap. There are lots of websites and agencies that offer to connect freelancers with businesses. However, guys, there are various problems with these. Can companies find reliable freelancers at the right price? Do those freelancers have the right skills for the job? What quality control is there on freelancers? Or conversely, does the website unnecessarily exclude suitable candidates? What fees will the platform charge? Laborx is an open freelancer platform built on the blockchain that solves all of these problems and more. Number one, access to the global labor market. Freelancer websites are generally run by companies that have a presence in a particular jurisdiction. As a result, guys, they draw from large, necessarily limited pools of freelancers and often filter their users by various arbitrary criteria. With Laborx, guys, you have access to a truly global labor market. Because it's built on the blockchain, there are no restrictions around who can set up a profile and offer their services or post a job. No one is unnecessarily excluded because they live in the wrong country or because payment providers don't work or can't with certain groups of people. At the same time, guys, Laborx allows users to filter who they want to work with. A secure reputation system based on blockchain transactions, user-provided data, and feedback from completed jobs enables anyone to check how reliable and skilled a freelancer really is, or for a prospective employer to check their track record to see what it's like to work with them. Thanks to this, guys, Laborx's employers have access to tens of thousands of freelancers located all over the world, offering many different skills and a range of prices. There's someone available for every task and every budget. The emphasis on blockchain talent. Certain sectors are experiencing particular difficulties when it comes to recruiting good people. The blockchain industry has struggled worse than most, since there is already a shortage of experts before the latest explosion of interest. It takes years, guys, for someone to learn everything that they need to access the best jobs in this space, and months at least to get started in a decent entry-level role. For most blockchain projects, the only way to hire someone suitable is therefore to poach them from another organization. This is obviously unsustainable and has driven up compensation to the point where the best blockchain developers can expect to be made $200,000 or more, and experienced marketing professionals well over $100,000. Freelancers of all kinds use Laborx, and customers can find someone for almost every job. However, guys, as a blockchain platform, it has naturally attracted plenty of talent from the crypto space. If you're looking for a blockchain developer or someone with experience of digital marketing or communications in this sector, it's a great place to find what you need and test out someone on a shorter project before offering them more extensive work. When it comes to flexibility, Laborx started out as a freelancer platform, connecting employers with individuals interested in gig work and short-term opportunities. However, guys, the reality is that most businesses are still looking to fulfill their recruitment needs with full-time employees. Consequently, guys, Laborx started exploring permanent recruitment arrangements as well. This flexibility makes it an ideal way to find good people and make sure that they're suitable for the job before offering them a full-time contract. There is a huge amount of risk involved in hiring new people, especially for sought-after roles in the blockchain space, which command high salaries and competitive compensation packages. Hiring someone on a freelance basis is an excellent way to start a commercial relationship with them, check out their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately decide whether there's someone you want on your team full-time. If so, guys, you can upgrade to a permanent position. Alternatively, you can keep using them on an ad hoc basis. When it comes to crypto payments, Laborx uses cryptocurrency to settle payments for freelance work. There are a number of benefits to using crypto, including fast, efficient payments to anywhere in the world, in contrast to the slow and generally expensive system used for the international payments by banks. There are no restrictions, guys. Anyone with an internet connection can receive crypto. This means that significant proportion of the world that lacks the banking facilities and unbanked and underbanked can still find employment and provide work rather than being excluded through no fault on their own. Payments are irreversible, guys, so cannot be tampered with payment providers who may cancel or block transactions just because they involve a particular country. Transparency, guys. Users can check immediately if a payment has been made, and generally payments are available to spend within minutes. Highly convertible. Laborx supports multiple cryptocurrencies, all of which can be exchanged to other cryptos and local currencies for withdrawal to bank accounts and other payment systems, or that can be held on chain as an investment if preferred. Stablecoins are also supported. As for the smart contract protection, Laborx removes the middlemen who make conventional freelancer recruitment slow, expensive, and inefficient. By using crypto payments and smart contracts code that runs on the blockchain, the trust-based process can be regular freelancer sites and replaced by decentralization, trustless one. Payments are deposited in an escrow smart contract, guys, by the customer before work begins and held there securely until a freelancer completes the job. Once the customer approves the work, the payment is automatically released. This ensures that employers can't get away with refusing to pay for work. At the same time, guys, there is a dispute resolution mechanism, so if a freelancer does not provide the work of the required standard or finish the job in the required time, the customer is able to recover their payment. Engaging with the gig economy. The coronavirus pandemic has accelerated the change in work patterns, with more people now being prepared to work from home and pick up a part-time task rather than commute to the office for a 9-to-5 job. Companies are understandably finding it hard to fill their vacancies since they have not yet adapted to this new norm. By embracing the gig economy rather than ignoring it or trying to work around it, the companies can remain competitive and find the people that they need. Laborx, guys, provides access to tens of thousands of freelancers all over the world with robust smart contract protections and efficient crypto payments. Browsing the listing of freelancers is fast and easy, so it's straightforward to choose the right person for the job and try them out on a short-term basis. If they work well, there may be opportunity to hire them full-time. Either way, guys, Laborx reduces the risk and increases the convenience of recruitment at a difficult time for employers. In conclusion, guys, some key takeaways from this project that I'd definitely like you to know. Smart contracts between both parties. A digital agreement formalizes the workflow, key milestones, and pay arrangements. They have crypto payments. Contracts are settled in major digital currencies or stablecoins, allowing efficient global payments. Their reputation. A decentralized scoring system ranks each user according to feedback from previous jobs and other relevant criteria. They have dispute resolution. In the event of disagreement about completed work, third-party arbitration can be requested. There's also no commission for employers. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto, out.